everyone, welcome to Dr. Pharma. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about what is fatty liver, its symptoms, causes of fatty liver, diagnosing, treatment, home remedies, and patient counseling. Fatty liver is also known as hepatic steatosis. It happens when fat builds up in the liver. Having small amount of fat in your liver is normal, but too much can become a health problem. Your liver is the second largest organ in your body. It helps process nutrients from food and drinks and filters harmful substances from your blood. Too much fat in your liver can cause liver inflammation, which can damage your liver and create scarring. In severe cases, this scarring can lead to liver failure. When fatty liver develops in someone who drinks a lot of alcohol, it's known as alcoholic fatty liver disease. In someone who doesn't drink a lot of alcohol, it's known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Symptoms of fatty liver. In many cases, fatty liver causes no noticeable symptoms, but you may feel tired or experience discomfort or pain in the upper right side of your abdomen. Some people with fatty liver disease develop complications including liver scarring. Liver scarring is known as liver fibrosis. If you develop severe liver fibrosis, it's known as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis may cause symptoms such as loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness, fatigue, nosebleed, itchy skin, yellow skin and eyes, web-like cluster of blood vessels under your skin, abdominal pain, abdominal swelling, swelling of your legs, breast enlargement in men, confusion. Causes of fatty liver. Fatty liver develops when your body produces too much fat or doesn't metabolize fat efficiently enough. The excess fat is stored in liver cells where it accumulates and causes fatty liver disease. This buildup of fat can be caused by a variety of things. For example, drinking too much alcohol can cause alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is the first stage of alcohol-related liver disease. In people who don't drink a lot of alcohol, the cause of fatty liver disease is less clear. One or more of the following factors may play a role: obesity, high blood sugar, insulin resistance, high level of fat, especially triglycerides in your blood. Less common causes include pregnancy, rapid weight loss, some type of infection such as hepatitis C, side effect from some type of medications such as methotrexate, tamoxifen, amiodarone, and valproic acid, exposure to certain toxins. Certain genes may also raise your risk of developing fatty liver. Diagnosing of fatty liver. Medical history. Your family medical history, including any history of liver disease, your alcohol consumption and other lifestyle habits, any medical conditions that you might have, any medications that you might take. Physical exam. To check for liver inflammation, your doctor may palpate or press on your abdomen. If your liver is enlarged, they might be able to feel it. Blood test. In many cases, fatty liver disease is diagnosed after blood tests show elevated liver enzymes such as alanine aminotransferase test and aspartate aminotransferase test. Imaging studies. Ultrasound exam, CT scan, MRI scan. Liver biopsy. A liver biopsy is considered the best way to determine the severity of liver disease. Treatment for fatty liver. Currently, no medications have been approved to treat fatty liver disease. More research is needed to develop and test medications to treat this condition. In many cases, lifestyle changes and home remedies can help reverse fatty liver disease. Home remedies. Apple cider vinegar. Take a tablespoon of unfiltered apple cider vinegar, put it in warm water and add little honey. Drink twice daily and it will reduce the fat in your liver, reduce inflammation in the liver and helps with weight loss in general. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help in the production of glutathione. This enzyme works to neutralize toxins in the liver. Just squeeze one lemon into water and drink 2 to 3 times a day. Green tea. According to a double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in International Journal of Molecular Medicine in 2013, green tea contains high-density catechins which improve liver function and fat infiltration in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients. The best time to have a cup or two is before your workout. In one study, men who took green tea extract before exercise burned 17% more fat than men who didn't take the supplement. The study suggests that green tea can boost the fat burning effect of exercise. Turmeric. According to a study published in journal China Pharmaceutical in 2008, turmeric contains antioxidants which helps to treat fatty liver disease. Mix 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder in 1 to 2 glasses of water and boil. Drink for 1 to 2 weeks. Licorice. A study in 66 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease found that supplementing with 2 grams of licorice root extract per day for 2 months significantly reduced ALT and AST compared with a placebo treatment. If you are having licorice supplement, consult your doctor first as they may interfere with certain BP, DM and corticosteroid medication. Papaya. Both fruits and seeds are recommended in Ayurveda for fatty liver disease. It helps to burn dietary fats rapidly. Grind 5 to 6 dried papaya seeds, then mix this powder with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Take 2 times a day for a month. Amla. Amla contains antioxidants and vitamin C. Eat 3 to 4 raw amla daily and also including cooking. Dietary modification. Follow a healthy diet plan rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and healthy fats. Exercise daily. Regular physical exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Maintain stable body weight and fight obesity. Patient counseling for fatty liver disease. Stop consumption of alcohol. Eat a well-balanced diet that is low in saturated fat and higher fiber. If you are diabetic, try to keep your blood sugar level in control. If you are overweight, take necessary steps for gradual and sustained weight loss. Rapid weight loss may cause damage to liver. Consume poorly unsaturated fatty acids to control cholesterol and triglyceride level. Good sources of poorly unsaturated fatty acids are walnut, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and poppy seeds. Eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fatty fish, fish oil, walnut, flaxseed, tofu, etc. Eat detoxifying and liver repairing superfoods such as broccoli, cabbage, etc. While cooking, tightly steam vegetables to retain their nutritional values. Eat fiber-rich food like apple, guava, blueberries, etc. Include more plant-based food in your diet. Decrease consumption of sugar, fried food, and junk food. Stop consumption of all type of high fructose containing syrup. Avoid spicy food and fatty meat. Stop or reduce consumption of white flour food. Thank you for watching the video. Write your doubt under the comment section. Thank you.